Turn on the wire stripper switch to power it up. Through the inlet hole, observe whether the two roller blades are rotating normally. The two handles at the front outlet control the lower blade, while the two handles at the inlet control the upper blade. Demonstration of the stripping effect of armor wire with a diameter of 60 millimeters. Demonstration of the stripping effect of hard wire with a diameter of 22 millimeters. Demonstration of the stripping effect of square wire with a diameter of 3 millimeters. Demonstration of fine wire stripping effect.